to achieve these objectives, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So let's go back to our discussion or our topic this morning. Who is an author? Now, class, what comes in your mind when you hear the word author? Anyone from the class? Okay, Rafi?
I think, sir, author is something that, or someone who wrote stories or novels.
Okay, another idea from the class? Yes, Raymond.
I think, sir, author is a writer of the story.
Yes. Any another answer? Yes.
I think, sir, author is the person who wrote the book.
Who wrote the book? So, class, all of the answers. Let's see if the answer of your classmates are correct. But before that, let's give them 3 claps. Okay. Who is an author? An author is a person who creates or produces written or spoken or visual works. So when we say written, class, it is about a poem. No, you're familiar about poem? Yes. Written example of that is a poem, stories, or a magical stories like fairy tale, fairies, Tom and Jerry, and so on. Another is spoken. So spoken, we're talking about, like example, speech. A speech of the president that you saw on the television, that you hear from the radio. And the other one is visual works. But we're not talking about visual works, we are talking about drawing.
Yes, sir. It's just like painting, sir.
Yes, painting, no? Like an image of a book, a trees, a mountains, the drawing, that is visual works. Visual works class. Another. The term author is commonly associated with writers of books, articles, and poems, but it also applies to creators of screenplays, artwork, and music, and other forms of creative expressions. Now, class, when we say an author is the one who created books, like stories and magical stories. So, when we say articles, it is about the news that we saw online, that we saw on the social media or in the television. Next one is poems. We saw this one on the book. Now, class, where we can find this? The book, we can find the books, the articles, and the poems. Where we can find this? Yes, in the library and in the
Store.
in the bookstore. Wow. Good to hear that, class. And another one, screenplays. An author class is also defined as about creators of screenplays. When we say screenplays, class, it is about, like, for example, Tom and Jerry, like that you saw on the television, or what? And artwork, like a drawing or painting. And music that you heard from the radio, that you heard from the television, that you saw on the television, and the other form of creative expression. Another class.
Ang pronunciation ba?
Authors bring creativity, expression, perspective, and communication skills to their work. Of course, an author should be creative in writing stories. Like, for example, a magical stories. There's one of the writer's style or techniques, class, in order to get our attention so that we will like the stories. We will read the stories. Like Tom and Jerry, right? There's a book, or a Spider-Man stories, or a fairy tale stories.
Harry Potter.
Yes.
Ano ba?
And another class is authors have potential to influence and inspire others through their work. Of course, class, and story, there is a lesson. There is a lesson inside the story that we can relate. Meaning, we can relate, we can get some information, we can get some lesson that we can apply to our in our lives. Now, class, why the an author use creativity? Meaning, why do you use a story or a poem about a happy poem, or a story about a happy life, sad stories, or a magical stories. What? What's the reason?
Give inspiration.
Yes, to express the feelings and to give inspiration. Okay, very good. Another thing, class, an author use language and storytelling techniques, engage audiences, convey images, and spark thought. Meaning, class, an author use languages. Okay, when we see languages, we're talking a lot of languages like Bisaya, Tagalog, English, and so on. The purpose of that class, because the author wanted to express the emotion, to make the readers understand and get some ideas and perspective in the story. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, since you already know the characteristic of an author, now class, I have an example of an author that I know you are very familiar with. Okay. Now, I want you to guess this picture. Who is this person? Do you know Jose Rizal, class? Yes. Okay, very good. But this morning, class, allow me to present to you a short clip about Jose Rizal. Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, class, Jose Rizal is one of the famous writer in the Philippines.
National hero, sir.
Yes, he's a national hero. And he wrote Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. He knows 22 languages, class.
Yes.
And
Wow.
he was born on June 19, 1961. So Jose Rizal is a good and intelligent person. He wrote different novels like Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo that awakened the Filipinos to fight for freedom, to fight for independence that we are experiencing right now. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, very good. So class, since you already know about Jose Rizal's biography, now class, I have a question to you. Who is your favorite author? Anyone have an idea? Who's your favorite author? A Filipino author. Yes, Jose Rizal. Yes, Jose Rizal. Another idea. Okay, three more.
For myself is Apolinario Mabini.
Apolinario Mabini. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, Laika.
My favorite author, sir, is Pedro Bucanig, sir. He wrote the epic story of Miguel Milamang, sir.
Okay, very good, Miss.
Literally.
Okay, very good, Laika. Give it barangay clap to Laika. Okay, class. Then what is an author again? What is an author again, class?
Right.
Okay, if you want to answer, please raise your hand. Okay? Rachel. No, why we need to study the life of an author? Why we should study the life of Rizal to know the life of Jose Rizal?
The background of Jose Rizal because for us to know the achievement, also to deep our knowledge about that specific author, or for us to know the other achievement in his life.
Okay, thank you, Miss Aiza. Give
Aiza.
Miss Aiza 3 claps. Now, another question, class. How can author get the attention of the readers? Or how can an author get the attention of the readers? Like us, we're readers.
Use creativity.
Yes, use one. Use creativity. Another one.
Interesting background story.
Yes. Anyone? True to life experiences. So an author class is they convince us, their techniques in order to convince us is through their styles and through their themes. If it is happy or a sad story or a magical tragedy. Now class, since you already know the characteristic of an author, the example, and the biography class, I want you, this morning, we are going to have an activity. Are you excited?
Yes!
Oh no, if you are excited, can't you say A? Everyone, A! Okay, very good. Now since you are ready, class, this morning I will group you into two big groups, and each group will create a graphic organizer about Jose Rizal biography by following the given questions. So don't you worry, class, because I will be providing fact sheets that containing the biography of Jose Rizal, and I will also provide a manila paper and a marker because you will draw a graphic organizer. Don't you worry, class, because I will present a sample for you to have the basics.
Listed na pala sa
Okay?
7, di ba?
Okay, and another thing, class, that please also prepare one representative from your group to present your final output. And don't forget to prepare a reel before presenting your final output. So, are the instructions clear, class? Yes, sir! Okay, very good. Now, class, I will group you into two big groups, so let's start counting. From this side, 1,
2, 3,
1,
2, 1,
2,
2,
2.
louding your voice.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
2,
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1,
2.
1,
okay?
1,
Okay, so all the number 1 in the left side and the group 2 in the right side. I will count up to 10 and make sure you're in the group already. Please, silently. Avoid shouting,
Moving.
grabbing the chairs. Make it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go silently. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, please settle down, everyone.
Dito man ang 1.
Okay, I will repeat. Group 1, all group 1 in the left side and group 2 in the right side.
Uy, 1 man ka.
Observe silent. Okay, this is group 1 and this is for the group 2. Now, here is the example of the graphic organizer.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Mic. Hindi, pero
So,
expect ka nga.
this is an example of a graphic organizer class. And here are the questions that you need to follow. All the answers, class, should be put on inside the box of the graphic organizer. Okay? Follow this format. And I have here a fact sheet containing the biography of Jose Rizal.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Have pencil.
Ah, yes, of course. I'm sorry.
That's on
One, and this is for the row 2. I will give you 10 minutes to do the activity. The timer starts now. Okay. Everyone who are not helping, please read this rubrics.
Yeah. Organization of idea 10 points. Operation 5 points.
Okay, always remember this following criteria. Observe silence class. No, you should answer. All the answers of the questions must is in there. No, you can choose any of Bisaya or English. Okay, please observe silence, everyone. Some students are not cooperating. Okay. The other members, please prepare a yield. Yes, You can use the plastic tape provided. Okay, do not please. If you go outside, please
Just chill.
cellphone eh. Punta ka na dalan tingali. Or kumaingat siya ng individual.
Okay, on the dawn, group 1.
5 seconds.
Okay, faces on the board.
Divided and
Now, 1.
module na next module.
Sa matatag. Matatag niya talaga.
Hindi ko lang ready.
Tuloy ko ng balance.
Okay, please take your seats, everyone. Settle down. Okay, any representative from the group 1 and group 2? Let's go.
Good morning, everyone. So I'll be the one to present our work. So, Sir Rizal is the author. He is important because he is the famous writer in the Philippines. He was born last June 8, 1961, and he knows 22 languages. And his famous works are Noli Me Tangere and El Filibustero, and he was born in Calamba, Laguna. And the famous quote from Jose Rizal that we can partake in our life is that the youth is the hope of our future in the house.
Group 2, any representative from the group 1?
Good morning, everyone. I am the representative from Group 1, and I am going to present our work. Traffic organizer. So, Sir Rizal is the author, and he is important because Jose Rizal is an advocate of peaceful reforms, and he also leads the Philippine independence.
Yay!
And Jose Rizal also was born on June 19, 1961, and he knows 22 languages. Then, Jose Rizal wrote 2 books, which are El Filibusterismo and Noli Me Tangere. And he was born in Calamba, Laguna. And the famous quote of Dr. Jose Rizal is that the youth is the hope of our future.
Okay, so do you want to hear your sports class?
Yes!
Okay, let's start for the group 2. So for group 2, I gave for the organization of ideas, I gave them 10 points. And for the business, I gave them 5 points. And for the cooperation, I gave them 5 points. Total of 20 points. Okay, for the group 2. Okay, for the group 1, I gave them, for the organization of ideas, I gave them 9 points. In your class, it should be languages. 22 is incomplete. You need to. Yes. It's 9 points, and for the cleanliness class, I gave 5 points. 5 points, and for the cooperation, I gave 5 points. Total of 19 points. Okay, give yourselves a round of applause, class. Okay, class. You learned something from our discussion this morning?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes,
sir. Okay, students, thank you so much for the cooperation, and thank you for the learning that you have made, as you have said a while ago. And see you next meeting. Goodbye, class. Goodbye.